I moved to LA, started working at Disney in the talent development program, became an assistant technical director on Big Hero 6, Zootopia, and then a technical director on Moana and Wreck-It Ralph 2. One small step for me was finding the computer graphics technology program at Purdue. I started at CGT not having any type of knowledge from high school going into it. I appreciated the hands-on curriculum and the professors at Purdue who provided me with the foundation that I needed to succeed. At Purdue, they have a phrase, industry ready day one, and that was absolutely true for me. I'm so glad I started my journey at Purdue. I'm Kaileen Kraemer. I'm a Purdue Polytechnic graduate, and I love my career.